Hi, in this video I am going to talk the Indian culture. Indian culture is unique culture when compared to other cultures. Food is an integral part of every human culture. For survival needs, people everywhere could eat the same and some simple food. But human cultures over the ages experiment, innovate and develop sophisticated cuisines. Indian food is as diverse as India. Indian cuisines use numerous ingredients, deploy a wide range of food preparation styles, cooking techniques, and culinary presentation. From salads to sauces, from vegetarian to meat, from species to sensuous, from breast to desserts, Indian cuisine is invariably complex. Eating habits of Indian public. People in India consider a healthy breakfast or nasta important. They generally prefer to drink tea or coffee with the first meal of the day. Lunch in India usually consists of a main dish of rice in the south and east and rotis made from whole wheat in the northern and western part of India. In dinner is considered the main meal of the day and the whole family gathers for the occasion. Proper eating manners. In a common Indian household, you usually sit on the floor, on pillows, or on really low stools. Surprisingly, food is not eaten in the North American way, which is by using utensils such as forks, but rather eating with the fingers of the right hand. Though these customs are traditional, they are slowly losing popularity because of the modern habits within the civilization. Diverse serving styles vary within different sections of India. A common way of displaying food throughout India is called thali, accompanied with naan bread. North India, a northern Indian meal might consist of many selections of baked bread and grain products. Also, rice, vegetables, and curry might be on the plate. A few ingredients in northern India are made with dairy products such as yogurt, milk, paneer, ghee. In addition, gravies decorate food and are usually dairy based. Sometimes some meals have nuts, spices, and herbs added. Some other meals might have flat breads such as naan, paratha, and tandoor. The flat bread family is frequently found in North India, regularly used as a side dish. Flatbread plays a large role in Indian society. North India is one of the four areas that have made fine dinner in India as India so unique. East India is famous for its delectable desserts, which are very sweet, such as chumchums, rasagulla, kheeri, and chiana pona, and Indian sweets. The sweets now popular at the North Indian originated in Bengal and Odisha. Besides sweets, East India is also famous for its posta. East Indian uses a similar way of preparing and serving a meal. Steaming and frying are typical ways that basic foods are cooked, varying in regions. Meat is one of the popular food material in East India. South India, Southern India does not use fried foods but rather roasted or baked. Rice and coconut product may be found also on a typical Indian plate. One of the most general is chambar, which is curried vegetables soup. Sambar can be found at other places such as Andhra, Chettinad, Hyderabad. However, each place has its own unique way of creating the correct dish. Fine desserts also are created through out southern India. Desserts like Mysore pak and creamy payasam. West India, West India has found four main food categories: Rajasthani, Gujarati, Maharashtrian, and Goan. Maharashtrian cuisine has two important areas that are separated geographically. Coastal regions are more popular with rice, fish, and coconut. However, the mountains regions are more consistent with wheat, jowar, and bhaji. Goan are heavily depend on rice, coconut, and fish. Gujarat is very vegetarian and has more sweets. Rajasthan is also very vegetarian but has a very well blend of spice and herbs. West India might also be most diverse out of all of four categories of India. Usually vegetarian. West India also has a nice balance of spice, herbs, and delectable meats. Indian food nutrition. Most Indian food nutrition depends on how it was cooked and the ingredients put into the dish. Most Indian food has all the food groups and has lot of nutritional value to it. The basic Indian dish is frequently packed or roasted. The hard deep fried food is also available on a nutritional event. Indian food is relatively healthy. These are the Indian culture and Indian. So mostly the culture is depends upon the food. Our food is depends upon the culture. So each food habits have its own cultural effects. Thank you very much.